Hello friends, thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn this simple paper plate into an awesome cool looking toucan bird. All the stuff that we're going to need are probably around your house. You'll need, of course, the paper plate. You'll need some scissors, glue or glue stick, and of course we need to have our crayons. That way we can decorate our bird. So, let's begin. The first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut this paper plate in half. Parents, if you like, you can cut it for your child, or you can just get a pencil and draw out the line and have them cut it out. Just gonna go like this. Remember, you always gotta be careful when handling scissors. Perfect. Got my two parts right here. Now, we're gonna take this one, like this. Looks like the letter D. And then we're gonna get this one, and we're gonna glue it right above it like that. This will be the body, and this is the head. So, I'm gonna get my glue stick. I'm gonna put some right at the very top right here. I'm gonna take this guy and glue it there. It doesn't matter which side you want to use. I like to use this side. So, I'm gonna go like that. There, and perfect. So we're almost done. Now we're gonna color our little creature with some crayons. My favorite part of the activity. Feel free to color your bird however you'd like, guys. Get creative as you like. Color it all your favorite colors. I'm gonna make mine to look like a toucan. And if you're following my example, then continue watching. If not, go free, go crazy, decorate your bird. Now, I'm gonna get, this is for me, because I like going above and beyond with my artwork. You don't have to do this. That's just so I can remember where the wing of the bird is. Alright, let's begin. I'm going to color the whole body black. That's the body of the bird. So, alright, just finished coloring the body. Now, here comes the next part. You guys are going to draw a line from here all the way down. This part is going to be the beak of the bird. I'm drawing a good toucan. I'm going to make mine a little wavy like that. Perfect. And then, I'm going to give him a little mouth. That. Now we have the beak. Now this part is yellow, so I'm going to color this here. And again, you guys are free to color it however you like. It is your bird, so you guys can get creative and colorful as you want it to be. Add a little part of the beak right here for the bird. Alright. Looks like my bird is missing something. A face. So, let's see. I'm gonna give him an eye. I'll put it right there. I'm gonna use the color blue to draw an even bigger circle. It's looking good so far. And the yellow one. And I'm just gonna trace the circle with the black color. Perfect. Now I need to go like this. There we go. And in this part, I'm going to color black. I once did this activity with my little sisters, and one of them colored the entire bird all pink. And then my other sister colored the entire body purple and the entire head blue, because those were her favorite colors. So feel free to use any color you guys like. And there we have it, friends. We made a little bird. As extra if you like. You can add a little detail to the wings. Ta-da! He is happy to be here. Oh, that's it for my art activity today, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys are taking care. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.